In this video, I'll show you the fastest and safest method to get the ISO file directly from Microsoft, no extra software needed. Most people don't know this hidden trick, but after watching this, you'll download Windows 11 ISO in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page. You can search Windows 11 ISO download. Click on this first link. Scroll down to download Windows 11 disk image, ISO. Choose Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. Click confirm. Select your preferred language, for example, English. Then click confirm. Now click the 64-bit download button and your ISO will start downloading. If your download is slow, use a download manager like IDM for faster speeds. Done. We have successfully downloaded the ISO. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.